To make the best low-carb salad dressing, start by choosing a base of olive oil or avocado oil. These oils are packed with healthy fats and are low in carbs. Next, add some acidic flavors such as balsamic vinegar or lemon juice to enhance the taste. To add a hint of sweetness without adding sugar, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. To make the dressing more flavorful, incorporate herbs and spices such as garlic, Dijon mustard, or dried herbs. Whisk all the ingredients together until well combined, and adjust the flavors according to your preference. This homemade low-carb salad dressing will not only make your salad more delicious but also keep your carbohydrate intake in check. Thanks for watching this video. Look for more 1-minute info videos, we add more every week.